Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today I want to talk a little bit about cyber harassment cases. I get phone calls and emails almost every week from someone who believes that they're being harassed by someone online or through text messaging, and they need help on wanting to know what to do. And some of them come to me gung-ho, wanting to, sue, thinking that they might have a case that's worth millions. And maybe they do. You know what? I'm not a litigator. I don't take litigation cases. But this is what I generally tell people. Cyber harassment is often a state-level crime, and one of the best places to start is by reporting it to the police if the goal is to make it stop. It may be a situation, if they know who the harasser is, that they can get a restraining order against that person. And so if they continue to contact them, they will be in violation, they can be arrested. Now, hopefully the person who's being harassed has documented the harassment. So in the best case scenario, it's simply reporting it to the police and showing the harassment should be enough to get the person, arrested, or, at least a visit from law enforcement to scare them into behaving. Now, there are what are called torts, which is when people are suing for damages, where you hear about people getting millions of dollars for, falling downstairs or spilling coffee on themselves. And in a harassment case, there could be a tort that a person could sue for, and sue for damages, emotional damages, things like that. But here's the deal. In a lot of these cases, the attorneys are going after big companies, like, in a car accident, usually they're not going after the other driver, they're going after the other driver's insurance company. When someone spills hot coffee on themselves and sues for millions, they are suing a restaurant. These are big companies that have a lot of money and have lawyers and have insurance. And so if the big payout comes, they can actually pay it. When we're dealing with a tort between two people, and there's no insurance that will pay these types of damages, you could sue and you could win. But if the person that you win your lawsuit against doesn't have millions of dollars, there's a good chance you're never going to see it. And you might be hard pressed to find an attorney who will take your case, because, or at least they'll take your case without money up front from you. Because unfortunately, lawyers are business people too. We love our work, but we still have to get paid because, we like to eat. So you may have a hard time finding an attorney who will take your case if it's just between you and another person, unless you're going after someone who has millions. So I'm really sorry if that's the situation you're in. I always feel bad when I have to tell people that situation, or that that's the situation they might be in, and that their best case to address the situation is often to go through the criminal law route. Just also, one, because it tends to be faster, and again, if you're going after a person for civil damages, unless the person can pay, there's a good chance you're never going to see it, and you're going to have to pay your own attorney up front. Which, if your goal to just be right, and you're willing to pay to be right, go for it. But if not, that may not be the best avenue for you to pursue. So I hope this has been helpful, and I will catch up with you later. Take care.